Welcome to a world of possibilities and financial freedom. In today's digital age, the opportunities to earn money online are endless, and I'm thrilled to share with you a groundbreaking method that can help you earn $75 every 10 minutes through copy-pasting text. Yes, you heard it right. $75 every 10 minutes. Imagine the potential, the freedom, and the excitement of achieving such earnings from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, a full-time income, or a way to supplement your existing earnings, this method has the power to transform your financial future. So, buckle up and get ready to discover the secrets to unlocking this lucrative income stream. But wait, before we dive into the details, let me ask you a question. How would an extra $75 in your pocket every 10 minutes change your life? Would it mean more time with loved ones, the ability to travel the world, or the freedom to pursue your passions without financial constraints? The possibilities are endless, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make this a reality. So if you're ready to step into a world of unlimited earning potential and take control of your financial destiny, then keep watching. This isn't just another money-making scheme. It's a proven method backed by strategy, dedication, and the power of automation. Get ready to turn your dreams into reality. So, here are the step-by-step instructions to get you started on your journey to making $75 every 10 minutes. Step 1. Choose the right platform. The first step towards earning $75 every 10 minutes through copy-pasting text is to choose the right platform. Freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are excellent choices due to their global reach and diverse range of opportunities. Upwork, for instance, connects freelancers with clients looking for various services, including data entry, content creation, and administrative tasks. Fiverr specializes in freelance services across different categories, allowing you to showcase your copy-pasting skills to a wide audience. Freelancer, on the other hand, offers a competitive marketplace where you can bid on projects and establish long-term client relationships. When selecting a platform, consider factors such as your expertise, the demand for copy-pasting services, and the platform's fee structure. It's crucial to choose a platform that aligns with your skills and offers a steady stream of projects to maximize your earning potential. Additionally, research each platform's policies, user reviews, and payment methods to ensure a seamless and rewarding freelancing experience. By choosing the right platform strategically, you set a strong foundation for success in the lucrative world of online freelancing. Step 2. Identify high-demand tasks. Once you've selected the right platform, the next step is to identify high-demand tasks that can help you earn $75 every 10 minutes through copy-pasting text. One of the most sought-after tasks in this category is data entry, which involves transferring data from one source to another, organizing information, and ensuring accuracy. Clients often require data entry specialists to handle large volumes of data efficiently, making it a lucrative opportunity for freelancers with copy-pasting skills. In addition to data entry, other high-demand tasks include content formatting and transcription services. Content formatting involves organizing text, images, and other elements to create visually appealing documents or presentations. Transcription services, on the other hand, require converting audio or video recordings into written text accurately. By diversifying your skills and offering these in-demand services on freelance platforms, you can attract a wide range of clients and maximize your earning potential. Step 3. Create a compelling profile. Creating a compelling profile is crucial to stand out from the competition and attract clients who need copy-pasting services. Start by crafting a professional and engaging bio that highlights your expertise in data entry, copy-pasting, and related skills. Use keywords relevant to your niche to optimize your profile for search visibility within the freelance platform. Additionally, showcase your previous work experience, certifications, and any specialized training that demonstrates your capabilities in handling copy-pasting tasks efficiently. Incorporate relevant samples or portfolio links to showcase your skills and provide tangible evidence of your abilities to potential clients. Include testimonials or reviews from previous clients to build trust and credibility. A well-crafted profile not only attracts clients, but also sets the tone for a successful freelancing career by positioning you as a reliable and skilled professional in the copy-pasting domain. Step 4. Use automation tools. Automation tools play a pivotal role in streamlining copy-pasting tasks and increasing productivity. One such tool is TextExpander, which allows you to create custom keyboard shortcuts for frequently used phrases, sentences, or paragraphs. This saves time and effort when copy-pasting repetitive text elements. AutoHotkey is another powerful automation tool that enables you to automate complex tasks by creating scripts and macros. You can automate copy-pasting tasks across multiple applications and customize the automation process according to your specific requirements. Keyboard Maestro is a versatile automation tool for Mac users, offering a range of automation capabilities, including text expansion, window management, and workflow automation. By utilizing these automation tools effectively, you can significantly reduce the time spent on copy-pasting tasks and focus on higher-value activities. Experiment with different automation tools to find the ones that best suit your workflow and enhance your efficiency as a freelance copy-pasting specialist. Zapier connects your favorite apps and automates workflows between them. For instance, you can set up a Zap to automatically save email attachments to Dropbox or Google Drive, or to create tasks in project management tools like Trello or Asana when an email is received. Step 5. Optimize your workflow. Optimizing your workflow is essential to maximize efficiency and deliver exceptional results in copy-pasting tasks. Start by organizing your tasks based on priority and deadlines. Use project management tools or simple task lists to keep track of ongoing projects, upcoming deadlines, and client communication. Clear organization helps you stay focused and ensures timely delivery of tasks, enhancing your reputation as a reliable freelancer. Effective time management is another key aspect of optimizing your workflow. Allocate specific time blocks for copy-pasting tasks, breaks, and client communication. Set realistic goals for each work session and strive to meet or exceed them consistently. Avoid multitasking and distractions during work hours to maintain productivity levels. Regularly review and assess your workflow to identify areas for improvement and implement strategies to enhance efficiency further. By optimizing your workflow, you can handle more copy-pasting tasks effectively, attract repeat business, and increase your earning potential as a freelance specialist. So there you have it, folks. Congratulations! You've now learned how to earn $75 every 10 minutes by copy-pasting text using smart strategies and automation tools. Remember, consistency, dedication, and continuous learning are the keys to success in the freelance world. So put these tips into action, stay motivated, and watch your income grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-making tips. Until next time, happy freelancing and keep hustling. Goodbye.